everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Got Callie with me. We are going to take a look at this $5 million home on the water at 623 Cove. So come check it out. Okay, here we are over at Papoose Bay Estates. So 623 Cove, and this house is amazing. So first off, you have to love this color green. It's like a blackish green teal color that they used. So you've got this over the top entryway, and there is some really great artwork throughout this house. So first off, just kind of the part of the home, we have the garage, and you've got an electric charger, 2 tankless water heaters, and 1 laundry set up here. So come back, hall closet right here. So this is your first bedroom. And one thing to note in this house, will you turn the lights on in there, Kelly? Is the amazing busy wallpaper that just works in every room of this house. So coming in, this is the first master. Check out, like, they just went above and beyond in everything that they needed to do. Toilet with, this is like a suede. Whoa, did you see that?
Oh my God.
The toilet just opened all by itself. Got a beautiful soaking tub.
And it cleans itself.
Toilet cleans itself apparently. But check out this shower. From head to toe, this house is just
Great.
so much detail in it.
It's awesome.
Built-in closets. And then you've got this guest bath, textured wallpaper here. Again, really nice waterfall countertops. Just a vibe. I'm sure an interior designer helped get a hold of this house for them.
Here you have
And the lake views are incredible, but we will go there shortly. I mean, just look at this furniture. There's no way you would even want to switch out any of it. So here we have the dining room. Countertops. More neat artwork. It's like a metallic looking subway tile. There's a little barista area. And while this looks like storage, it's actually the fridge. Locked up booze. And this might be my favorite wallpaper in the whole house. And not only because of the design of it, but because it's a little bit furry. It's like a suede pattern. All right, so moving right along, we will go downstairs. So it starts off into the second living room. And again, I love how they just played with so many different patterns in this house and just were able to make it all work. So right off this living room, we're gonna go into the second master. So again, just beautiful patterns. Then we go into the master bathroom. And this one, you've got a shower here too. And we will go across the way, go into this master. Love, love, love everything about this one. And check out these lights. But you've got decking and access out here off this bedroom. So this would probably be my favorite bedroom of the house. And then we've got a closet and this beautiful bathroom with, again, an auto toilet and a bidet. But all the walls are marble. And then you even have your own little tiny deck to go outside and see the water. But I don't know why you would go here when you had all that deck off the bedroom. So, back to the living room. So still on the second floor. Storage, really cool artwork. Look at this. Textured. This one would be my second favorite because of the colors in this room. Really bright, really happy. And then shower here. Then we'll go. So that's 4 bed, lose count. 4 bed, 4 bath. Here is your common bathroom. Back here, we've got another set of laundry down here so that you don't have to go all the way up to the top floor. And check out this gym. Weightlifting, box jumps, machine, cycling shoes, Peloton, large TV, gym mat flooring, pull-up bar. Wow. Then you have, I'm not sure, this one might be one of my favorites too. More textured wallpaper. More of like the kids' room here. Just, you know, everything is, it's like a museum. Now we are done on this floor. So we will go downstairs. So really neat concrete floors down here. There's the system that powers the house. Large flat screen TV. The closet. But like, look at these, they're mirrors. How and then you've got a spa down here on the deck. And this one might be my favorite bathroom just because I love that mirror, but also this tile too, this blue shimmery tile, kind of mermaid-like in here. Uh-oh. Not an auto close, but forgive them. Then we have the bar area. This is kind of like a leathered look. And then I will take you outside. Okay, here we are outside on the top floor. Got patio heaters up here. Got a teeny tiny dead bird that fell. And your boat dock. And beautiful, beautiful sunsets because the sun will set that way. So I will take you to another floor. Okay, now we are on the middle floor. Again, same great views. It's just an area to enjoy it. This is that room, my favorite bedroom right there. Go down one more floor. Here we have this floor, the spa, jacuzzi, and go down here. It's kind of chilly. Owner's locked up area under the spa. But out to the dock, turf, patio furniture, great views probably of the fireworks too. Okay, that's it.